How to fulfill orders in Shopify. When your customer buys multiple products and you're short on a few of them are available for pre-order, it is ideal to manage the order through partial fulfillment. Select orders in the Shopify admin and select the order that you want to fulfill partially. Then click Start Fulfilling to complete the order. In the pop-up box on the fulfillment page, modify the quantity of each product you want to ship. Input the customer's tracking number in the optional tracking number area and select a carrier. Select Send a notification email to customer to keep them in the loop about changes, refunds, and other important details. Select Fulfill items to complete the order, and successful fulfillment is denoted by a green check mark next to the ordered products. Check details such as payment accepted or all items were shipped to ensure everything is on track. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.